talked a little bit about where marketing was, before AI got involved. And I think we've really highlighted how AI has improved the marketing experience, both inside the company and how you're targeting your customers. Where do you see marketing going because AI is constantly changing. The technology is changing more rapidly than it ever was before. Is there something that you still would love to do in marketing that you just can't quite get there yet?
So one thing that we're working on right now is reinforcement learning. Mm-hmm. So I'm really excited about, putting that into our marketing, data science toolbox, mm-hmm. right? It's one of the more advanced tools that we've been able to use. And it's something we haven't launched yet. So I'm excited to see how it works in action. The idea is that, over time, the model would improve itself, right?